What if one compact power bank could replace nearly every charger in your bag? Meet the INIU Mini 25,000 mAh power bank. With a powerful 100W output and airline-approved capacity, it fast charges MacBooks, Dell, Lenovo, HP laptops, drones, cameras, Steam Deck, tablets, and phones. Despite its massive capacity, it's 30% smaller than a soda can and weighs about 14 ounces.
Over here, this handle, it's actually a charger, so you can easily remove it, put one of the ends here, the other one into your phone like so, and you can walk around charging, no problem, like this. So same for both of them. The only kind of functional difference maybe for this one is that it has a flashlight, so power button 2 times. And you have a flashlight, which is very useful because most of the time you use power bank somewhere where it's dark or there is no electricity. The display is beautiful, 100% over here, 99 over here. I actually absolutely adore this red color. It's really nice and bright, very easy to find in the dark if you ever need to find it in the dark. The size of it is really the main difference. Orange one is much thicker. It is heavier as well, of course. So the difference is only 5,000 milliamp hours, 20 versus 25.
But you can expect longer charging times if you are using a lower powered charger. There's a 45 watt USB-C port which is only out, so you can't use this to charge the power bank back up.
Very close. I would say this, of course, just charges more.
This is the port that you will use when you charge the power bank back up. How fast your own charger is will determine how quickly this charges up. So ideally you will want a 65 watt one, which is the one I'm using here, and it took 2 hours and 6 minutes to charge completely from empty.
So very similar power banks really. If the price allows, I would simply go for a larger one.
There is also an 18 watt USB-A port, which is useful if you need to charge low powered devices like portable lights. There is a mount on the back which you can pull out, and this allows you to stand the phone on there, so you can carry on watching videos and you can charge your phone at the same time. Now, charging my mobile phone up on its own and using the 100 watt port, and I got super fast charging. I did try it in the 45 watt port and I still got super fast charging in here too.
This can charge my MacBook Pro, my laptop, much faster and like for longer.
This is an exceptionally high capacity portable hard drive, boasting a massive 25,000 milliamp hours, which is quite rare in the current market. Well, it's worth it. So, 25,000 can charge a phone. I don't know, maybe 10 times or more, so it's really worth it. The fact that it's 25,000 milliamp hours is what reassures me and makes me overlook the fact that it's quite thick.
Charge your MacBook Pro, iPhone, or Galaxy up to 72%, 77%, and 91% respectively in just 30 minutes. With 2 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, a digital display, detachable 100W cable, and a 3-year warranty trusted by over 38 million users, it's built for travel, work, gaming, and everyday power. Available in black and blue. Check the link in the description for more information. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Like, share, and subscribe for more Amazon gadget finds. Thanks for watching.